Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get voice chat in Roblox without ID. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Roblox application on your PC or laptop and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After updating it, log in using your account and you will be redirected to the home page where all of the available games are present. Now click on the three dots icon in the left side menu and choose Settings from the available options. A number of choices will be presented. Select the Account Info tile and make sure to verify your email or mobile number by borrowing it from someone or the internet if you don't have one. After that, go to the Privacy tab and the microphone toggle switch will be present. Note that it is not necessary to verify your age for this feature, so just toggle it on. And that's how you can get voice chat in Roblox without ID. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.